Welcome to today's video, where we will tell you about the 10 things that can get your YouTube channel deleted.
Whether you're just starting out or have been creating content for years, these rules are vital to protect your channel.
Over 10 million channels have already been permanently deleted, so understanding these guidelines can make the difference between a thriving channel and one that's gone forever.
Before going into the specific things that can get your channel deleted, it's important to understand how YouTube flags content. YouTube relies heavily on its AI to scan videos for potential violations.
The AI examines your titles, descriptions, and even thumbnails to detect inappropriate or harmful content. Additionally, Google Vision technology allows YouTube to analyze the visuals in your videos.
However, it doesn't stop there. Viewers can also flag your content if they believe it violates YouTube's guidelines. Once flagged by either AI or viewers, the video is reviewed by a real human at YouTube to determine if any action should be taken.
Sometimes this human review can result in your video being deleted or your channel receiving a strike. If you accumulate 3 strikes, your channel can be permanently deleted.
Now that we understand how YouTube flags inappropriate content, let's explore the 10 key things that could lead to the deletion of your channel. Number 1. Associated accounts breaking the rules. One of the most easily overlooked ways to get your channel deleted is by having another associated account break the rules. YouTube allows users to manage multiple channels under the same Google account.
Yet, if one of these channels breaks YouTube's terms of service, all of the associated channels can be at risk of deletion.
For example, if you have a secondary channel where you upload content that violates community guidelines, it's possible for your main channel to get deleted as well.
The takeaway here is to keep any questionable content entirely separate by using a different Google account for each channel.
Number 2. Keyword stuffing. Next, let's talk about keyword stuffing. Some creators think they can trick the algorithm by overloading their video descriptions with a bunch of keywords relevant or not. This tactic, called keyword stuffing, is an attempt to rank higher in search results.
But if your description is filled with unrelated keywords, or if it's clear that your content is being written solely to manipulate the algorithm, YouTube will flag this as misleading metadata.
A good rule of thumb is to use keywords naturally, ensuring they match your content. For example, adding random popular phrases like Mr. Beast in your description won't help your video rank and could lead to a strike.
Always prioritize writing for your viewers over writing for the algorithm. Number 3. Comment spamming. Another way to get your channel deleted is by spamming the comments section. Posting repetitive or overly promotional comments on your own or other videos is against YouTube's guidelines. While leaving comments to engage with viewers is encouraged, posting similar or irrelevant comments multiple times, especially with links or promotions, can be classified as spam.
Some creators even go as far as creating fake accounts to comment on their own videos to increase engagement. This may seem like a clever idea, but it's a sure way to get flagged and potentially banned. Number 4. Misleading titles and metadata.
Using misleading titles and metadata is one of the more obvious violations, but it happens frequently. Imagine you click on a video that promises the latest sports highlights, but instead, it's someone playing a video game. Misleading your viewers this way is against YouTube's guidelines.
Always be honest in your titles and descriptions. If you trick viewers into clicking on your video by promising something you don't deliver, YouTube can flag your content for clickbait and misleading metadata. Over time, repeated offenses can lead to strikes or even channel deletion.
Number 5. Violating copyright laws. Using content that you don't own without permission is one of the most common reasons channels get deleted. Whether it's music, video clips, or images, using copyrighted content without permission violates YouTube's copyright policies.
Even if you think it's a small clip or harmless background music, YouTube's copyright detection system is advanced and can easily identify copyrighted material.
To avoid strikes, always use content that you either own, have a license for, or is part of the public domain. If you receive multiple copyright strikes, your channel will be removed permanently.
Number 6. Harmful or dangerous content. YouTube is strict about harmful or dangerous content. Videos that encourage risky behavior, dangerous challenges, or anything that could physically harm someone violate YouTube's policies.
In the past, creators who participated in dangerous trends or challenges had their videos taken down and their channels banned.
Even if you think a video is just for fun, if it promotes dangerous behavior, it can be flagged and removed. Keep your content safe and responsible for your audience.
Number 7. Inappropriate content for kids. If your channel is labeled as kid-friendly, YouTube has extra rules in place to protect younger audiences. Uploading videos with inappropriate content while claiming they are for kids can lead to severe consequences, including channel deletion.
Always make sure that your content is properly labeled based on its intended audience. Creators who don't follow these guidelines often find their channels banned, especially after the implementation of stricter rules under the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act.
Number 8. Spreading misinformation. Misinformation is another serious offense that can lead to channel deletion. This includes spreading false information, especially about topics like health, safety, or elections. YouTube has been cracking down on channels that promote conspiracy theories or false claims. If your content misleads people into believing something that isn't true, particularly about important public matters, YouTube may not only take down the video, but could also give your channel a strike. Repeated offenses will eventually lead to permanent removal.
Number 9. Breaking monetization rules. YouTube has strict rules when it comes to monetizing your videos. Using fake views, fake subscribers, or any form of artificial engagement to boost your revenue is against their policies.
You may think these tactics are harmless, but YouTube's algorithm can detect fake activity, and once it does, your channel could be demonetized or even banned.
Stick to growing your channel the right way, with organic views and authentic engagement.
Number 10. Harassment and hate speech. The final item on our list is harassment and hate speech. YouTube has zero tolerance for content that promotes bullying, harassment, or any form of hate speech. This includes offensive language, targeted attacks on individuals or groups, and promoting violence.
If your content crosses these lines, it can quickly lead to strikes and potentially a complete ban. Always keep your content respectful and avoid any harmful language that could be seen as offensive or abusive. In conclusion, protecting your YouTube channel starts with understanding and following the rules.
By avoiding these 10 common mistakes, you can keep your channel safe and avoid strikes or deletion. YouTube's guidelines exist to create a positive and safe environment for both creators and viewers. Remember, even though YouTube's system might seem tough at times, playing by the rules is the best way to grow and sustain your channel in the long run.
If you want to protect your channel and ensure that it continues to grow, be sure to avoid these 10 pitfalls. By staying informed and playing by the rules, you can create a lasting, successful YouTube presence. It's always better to be cautious and follow YouTube's community guidelines than to risk losing everything you've worked for. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.